Hi, I'm Tim. Want to ace the CELPIP speaking section and secure your permanent residence in Canada or Australia? Then let's dive in. Use this video to practice and stay focused. Let's go!
This vibrant image captures a spirited, multi-generational moment of discovery within a lush community garden. In the foreground, a group of 4 individuals is huddled together, sharing a hearty laugh over a weathered, soil-encrusted metal canister they've seemingly just discovered. The older gentleman on the left carefully holds the object while the woman in the wide-brimmed straw hat points toward a detail on it, her expression radiating genuine amusement. The surrounding environment is a well-tended garden, with other volunteers visible in the background engaged in seasonal maintenance. Adding to the sense of community, a prominent banner in the distance heralds an upcoming harvest festival, suggesting a shared celebration of their hard work. The composition is framed by rustic tools like a pitchfork and shovel, and the warm, natural lighting beautifully enhances the wholesome and collaborative atmosphere of the scene.
Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the co-founder and tutor at TestPass Online School. I am a certified CELPIP instructor and have already trained more than 100 students to help them reach their target scores. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you feel inspired to push forward with your preparation. If you're ready to take the next step, head over to our website testpass.ca and book a free 30-minute consultation. During our call, I'll help you figure out your specific goals and create a plan for our classes. Plus, when you start studying with me, you can save over $300 on your prep journey. Let's begin this journey of improvement and practice together so you can pass the CELPIP at whatever level you need. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.